Hi everyone, it's Lavinia and welcome. I wanted to share my page that I made for the hashtag Art Journal Bonus Prompt 2526, which is hosted by Lori June at Sarcastically 60 something. Her prompt for this week was chicken. And after I painted it in the sketchbook, I realized, why didn't I paint it on a larger piece of paper so that I could add it to the art journal that I'm creating? But anyway, I ended up painting it in here. I used my Master's Touch watercolor paints and a watercolor brush. I think I also used one of my smaller, I think this, not sure. Maybe this, oh no, I used this one to just put in a little bit of the eye there. But Lori June also wanted some hand lettering added. So I have these Jelly Roll pens. This came in a pack of 6, 2 black, 2 red, and 2 blue, I think. And I really love them. They were on clearance at Hobby Lobby earlier in the year. I really like how they write, but I thought I would use it to just enhance a little bit of the chicken. Let me come a little bit closer. Oops. So maybe I'll define this here. Maybe, I don't know what this part of the chicken, the one that hangs down the beak, is called. And I do like the black. Maybe I'll define that eye a little bit better by making it rounder. And then some of these feathers here, perhaps. So just a little bit of ink and watercolor. And here, this bottom part, I used my, actually, I think I used, because I have these Faber-Castell, but I think for this bottom one, I actually used this one, General Sketch and Wash number 500. This came in a different set of pencils from Generals. And perhaps I can just add just a little bit of definition here. Like that. And then as far as for the handwriting part, so let me just bring that a little bit closer. Maybe I can put, Dear Lori June, what to write? So that's my hand lettering. I have terrible handwriting. And today is what, 11, 12, 25. And so that is going to be my page. And again, if you want to check out or want to join in at any time, you just use that hashtag Art Journal Bonus Prompt 2526. And you can check out to see what everyone else has been creating for their art journal. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. I will see you in the next one. Bye.